Check, mic check, 1, 2. I am on my phone because my desktop app is taking forever to download something. So price similar to yesterday, did not, oh no, we did touch a gold zone yesterday. Guess we're supporting off of a level. Price didn't do shit yesterday. It literally just went sideways. Oh, big volume. Big volume supporting off of the level. Big volume to the top side. Basically have the high and the low of the day. Price didn't go anywhere. Is there news today? Anybody got my FX book open? Got yellow folder news, that's about it. Big volume pushing up here off that low of the day, which is also a level. We got the high of the day. Price didn't even go more than 1,000 pips all day. That is some weird shit. Not quite sure why my Discord is not updating on my computer. Oh well, I'll be on the phone for now. So strong support off the low of the day. We're above the 500. We're supporting off the 200, possibly pushing through the 100 here shortly. We were just oversold. Barkin has a speech today, later. What do we have tomorrow? Waller has a speech Friday. PMI and Michigan sentiment is on Friday. Normal shit, so. Let's get normal movement. We haven't touched the gold zone yet, so let's see which way we decide to push towards. We'll probably end up heading that direction. And even yesterday, right? Yesterday, if you look at the uptrend, right, we were in a little wedge while we were on, but afterwards it broke up, went above the level, tested, and then came right back down and then shot straight up. And what did it do, right? After it finally went up, it shot all the way up to the next gold zone. So pretty normal. Let's see if movement follows this volume that we just had here. These mosquitoes are fast as hell. I can't share my screen because I'm on my phone right now, but I'm sure we're all looking at the same thing. I don't really have any trend lines drawn for today anyways. Yeah, everything's pretty normal. I'm just looking at the normal juice indicators. We need to see if the 100 will play strong as a support. We need to see if this volume will continue. The chances of us breaking, like whichever way price decides to push, we're likely to push in that direction because there's no real support or resistance. We got highs and the lows of the day, but other than that, we're gonna push whichever way we go. Right now it's looking up. Yeah, the entire day price didn't even move more than 800 pips, 795 pips. So simple. Kind of a hammer, kind of a doji forming. Big volume here. Let's go. Let's get a quick morning. Let's get a quick night for me, a quick morning for y'alls. Nice volume here. Let's see if we get that level push. From there, let's see if we get the R1 push. Breaking the high of the day. This is looking nice. Nice quick movement here. Why you wanna run away from that? Baby, I'ma fall face down flat. I'm no good at goodbyes. Leaving this lifestyle. I wish you the best, and I guess I'll pretend that sits in my mind. Why you wanna wait for that? You know I'ma fall face down flat. Gotta take it day to day like that. Ooh, get for me, yeah. Used to the rain. The sunshine is filled with some gray. There's so many hours in the day. So stay here, just stay with me. I just got used to the rain. Pushing the level now. There's so many hours in the day. So stay here, just stay with me. Stay silent while thinking out loud. Test before speaking and make sure all the crowd. Make sure no one setting my feelings aside. One at a time. At the end of the day, you care for me, yeah. Just got used to the rain. The sunshine filled with some rain. So stay here. Come on, get above level. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Easy. Easy money. Why you wanna win with it? Come on. Get above and stay above. Get above and stay above. We've quickly gone overbought. Lady candles are still green. Booyaka, booyaka. Big wick to the top here. I just got used to the rain. Get above, stay above, come on. Get above, stay above. I ain't no fucking with no bum bitches. Said a fucking in the jit, she a bum bitch. What have we got left? A minute and a half on this candle. Let's go. Get above, stay above. 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 There you go. There you go. Get above, stay above. Get above, stay above. Get above, stay above. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me 300 and I'm out. Give me 300 and I'm out. Take your time. Boom. 310. I'm out. 600 again. 600 in less than 10 minutes. 600 in less than 10 minutes. Let go. Done. How many days till I can see you again? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. That's what we want. That's what we fucking want. Ooh. Right? Like for me, that is enough of the gold zone movement, right? Like, you know, the likelihood of us going up to R1 likely, but then again, I'm not going to go fuck shit up just for like another 300 or 400 pips over there. So let's fucking go. The go at. I am the go at. The Jew Strat is the go at. Nice. I took the same thing. I ended up, so on I forgot that I'm copy trading again, and then I didn't get to click enough, so By the time I got in my full, like by the time I was able to click the button like 6 or 7 times, the price was already moving away from the entry. So I ended up just, I think I only risked like 300. So I risked about 300 to make 300, and then I'm trading on 2 accounts. So easy little 600. And what time is it? It's what, 6:45 over there, 8:45 for me. So yeah, less than 10 minutes, guys. We're done. Broke the high, nice. And see, the only reason I added pretty much all the contracts at 6:30, right? It's just making a later. I'll do a quick explanation, but you're free to go if you want to. But there was no real support or resistance, right? Like if we're looking at, and this is for everybody to like comprehend this, right? So when you guys see another day like this, and like right, like measure out, like prior to New York opening, measure out the high and the low, and there's literally only 800 pips. Yep. But that's the thing, bro, is once again, how many pips is US30, bound to move, and we weren't even, and we were stuck in between them, but realistically we weren't even stuck where the, okay, let me ask you guys, which level did price actually show support to? The bottom or the top? Bottom, correct. Everybody's probably saying bottom. Exactly. So when you're looking at this, what is untested? What is untested out of the two levels? The top side, correct. So if we're working off, remember, we're always working off the data that we see. So if we see that price already supported, right? 12:25 a.m., 1:45 a.m., and then right here at open, 6:25, 6:30. If we're going based off of what we currently see that price actually responded to the bottom level. We didn't make any response to the top. So once again, if we're just trading off of volume, and remember, we're making an educated decision. It's not always going to be correct. But the one thing that we can see is that the bottom was really the only space or the only area that price actually responded to. So what I kind of saw was, yeah, as long as we break, like I'm still gonna, nothing wrong with holding and then adding contracts when we broke on the next candle, but I'm just looking at it as the likelihood, right? And then what else do we say about these days when price hasn't touched the gold zone? These days when price hasn't touched the gold zone all day throughout Asia and London, the likelihood of us running towards a gold zone, exactly, magnetized. I don't know if I've said that wrong before, but yeah, it gets like magnetized towards that area. Exactly. So, you just look at the current, and where are we in regards to the 500? Top, above or below? Sure, you guys all know we are above. Correct. So, well, shit, you guys can't look at my fucking screen because my Discord is still not up and running. But remember last week? Last week was kind of a difficult week, right? Because we were arranging, right? So if you zoom out, like I have my trading view zoomed out right now so that I can see like last week, the 4 or 5 days prior to the big push up 3 days ago. We were in a range, right? So if we're in a range for a whole week, and then that one day when Jerome Powell spoke, we got that big push of volume going up. I'm telling myself, okay, what's the 3 things I tell you guys that price does? It goes up, it goes down, or it goes sideways. It ranges. So if that is where we're starting to be like done with the ranging, we're now in an uptrend, right? Which is now why we can see price substantially above the 500. So now I'm looking for buys all fucking day, right? We're already above the 500. Last week we ranged. This week is hopefully when we're, making our decision to trend up. Liddy candles, right? Liddy candles since 6:30 was green, you know, pushed off of the 200, and Ruben's good at pointing out the 100 and the 200. For me, adding all the contracts at 6:30, I was paying attention to the very next candle. You know, does the next candle break the high, and does it break the 100 and continue up? Which is exactly what it did. So when I get into these risks, right? All of these entries are always going to be risks. I still look for confirmation as the trade lapses, right? As time goes on while I'm in the trade. I'm not just blindly looking at it and hoping that it's going to go up, right? I am looking at it. I am looking at 635. Is 635 breaking the high? Is Liddy candle still staying green? Are we pushing away from the 100 and the 200, right? All of that just, you know, contributes to me feeling good about the trade and holding it, right? And then once again, the magnetization, right? We're gonna get magnetized towards one of these gold zones. I like the days like this. I like the days like this because really all we have to do is just ride the wave. That's a 3 candle wave, guys. Like, that wave was 3 candles. Technically it's 2 because we enter in at 6:30 and then bada bing bada boom, done. So not much more to say. The most important part I just wanted to point out was the support, right? So you guys did point out the 2 levels, but just look even closer into it now, right? Like I've already nailed the fact that we usually range between 1,000 pips and it's usually levels. Now I want you guys to be even more specific, right? Magnify it. You know, now look at it. Oh, we did only bounce. We did only actually bounce off the lower level. We didn't test the higher level. So we just trade based off facts, based off of what we see. So good shit, guys. Not much more to say. That was the only thing I wanted to point out. Everything else is pretty good. 6:30 was the first candle to push up and over perp. I like perp, guys. I like perp. Like, and yes, can perp get you into trouble on days when it's going to turn into a loser? Yes, but we win more than we lose. So that's why when I see candles that give us the perp entry, I get into it. I don't even second guess it, right? I don't even second guess it. I just get into it. Because if perp decides to come back down, well, we'll take it down. And if we take it down, we'll probably be taking it down to P gold zone. So once again, it's more about trusting the gold zone movement, right? Like, the more you guys see it happen every day in front of you, the more you guys will believe it and you'll trust it. So we're trusting that it works out and it will continue to work out. I mean, for the last 13, 14 years it's been working out. So the day that it doesn't work out, I will definitely fucking know. Alright guys, any questions? If not, it's a pretty quick and easy day. I won't hold you guys too long. Yeah, there's not much to explain on this day. 3 candles and we're in. 2 candles actually. Less than 10 minutes and we're done. So I'll give you guys a few more minutes. If you guys are getting out of here, so be it. I will jump off in about 6 minutes. 7 o'clock West Coast time, 9 p.m. my time. Good shit, guys. Ready, Isaiah? Hey, keep, if I don't know if you forgot, but yeah, if you see the fucking African dude, definitely let him know I'm trying to hit me up, please. Thank you. I can't remember his name for the life of me. I really can't remember if he has like some super African name or some freaking normal ass name. I think he does have like an African name though. Alright, Isaiah. Yeah, 2 Yuzo. Alright, seems like everybody's Gucci then on this day. Alrighty, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Thursday. Another day, baby. Alrighty, guys. Catch you guys later. Irfan. Perfect. Later, Irfan. Take it easy, everybody. Peace. Later, Joe. Later, Daniel.